Hello, hello, pretty makers. Today we're going to make some Dollar Tree DIY New Year's centerpieces. They're super easy and inexpensive. It all started when my friend asked me to create some centerpieces for her party. I had so many Dollar Tree supplies left over from Christmas, I wanted to see if I could come up with a way to use them but still have that high-end, pretty look. And that's just what I did. I'll show you how to create a last-minute New Year's Eve centerpiece using Dollar Tree Christmas supplies you probably already have on hand. They're super easy to put together. They just take a few minutes. No special skill or supplies required at all. But they do look really pretty and very high-end. I'm not sure which one I like the best. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. All you need to start is an empty champagne bottle with the labels removed. For all the styles, I used some Dollar Tree Vase Filler. I use this instead of painting or glittering. It's faster, less messy, and there's no wait time. This first DIY uses the small vase filler in gold and white. Simply mix them together and pour them into the bottle. Quick and simple. Then I used some picks I found at Dollar Tree that I think look like pretty bubbles coming out of the bottle. Using Dollar Tree wood numbers, I added 22 to the front of the bottle, painted gold with a little bit of sparkle. I added a floral hot glue mold painted gold as well. To see how I create these hot glue molds, check out my other video, Embellishments for Pennies. I placed everything on a Dollar Tree silver charger with some ornaments and more white vase filler at the bottom. I really love how this gives the illusion of bubbles flowing from the bottle. For another look, I changed the picks to these swirls that I also got from Dollar Tree. I think this one looks like the champagne cork was just popped. So cute and pretty and still fast and easy. For a similar look, you can use the large vase filler in the empty bottle. Then add some sparkly stems to the top, which also looks like the cork was just popped. Some mini mirrored ornaments from Dollar Tree give that bubble effect as well. I did one in gold and one in silver. What I love the most is that I had all the supplies already on hand from Christmas, so they didn't actually cost me anything. Just look through some of your Christmas stash and you'll find some inspiration of your own. If you don't have the vase filler, you could use some gold or silver paper shreds to fill the bottle. Add a few shatterproofed ornaments to the top for bubbles and you have another festive centerpiece for your celebration. They are all very festive and have just the right amount of glam to ring in that new year. I hope you saw something today that inspired you. If you did, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave me some comments. I thank you for watching and keep making pretty things. Happy New Year, everyone!